ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമസ്കാരം. ഞാനിതിനു മുമ്പ് CBSE ക്ലാസ് 10 രണ്ട് പാർട്ട് എടുത്തിരുന്നു, 2 വീഡിയോയിൽ. ഇന്ന് 3-ാമത്തെ പാർട്ടാണ്. റിയൽ നമ്പേഴ്സാണ് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിരുന്നത്. ഇന്ന് അതിൻ്റെ കണ്ടിന്യൂഷനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. റിയൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ്. നമുക്ക് ചോദ്യം, പ്രൂവ് ദാറ്റ് √2 ഈസ് ഇറാഷണൽ. √2 ഇറാഷണൽ ആണെന്ന് നമ്മൾ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്, ലെറ്റ് us assume that √2 is rational. √2 ഇറാഷണൽ ആണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? √2 റാഷണൽ ആണെന്നാണ് നമ്മുടെ അസംഷൻ. എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കണക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ അസംഷൻ തെറ്റാണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. √2 റാഷണൽ ആണെന്നുള്ള അസംഷൻ തെറ്റാണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പൊ √2 ഇറാഷണൽ ആണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോ let us assume that √2 is rational. Let √2 is equal to x by y. റാഷണൽ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. What do you mean by rational number? X, y are integers. Okay, y not equal to 0. X, y are co-prime. ഇതാണ് കണ്ടീഷൻ റാഷണൽ നമ്പറിന്റെ. X and y are integers where y not equal to 0 and x and y are co-prime. What do you mean by co-prime? No other common factor, no common factor other than 1. There will be only one common factor, that is 1, no other common factor. അതാണ് co-prime പറഞ്ഞത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ √2 is equal to x by y. Now you cross multiply. √2 y is equal to x. Okay, √2 into y is equal to x. Equation 1. ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻ നമ്മൾ സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്യുക. സ്ക്വയറിംഗ് ബോത്ത് സൈഡ്സ്. സ്ക്വയറിംഗ് ബോത്ത് സൈഡ്സ്. ഹിയർ സ്ക്വയർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ √2 2 ആവും. അപ്പൊ 2y സ്ക്വയർ. 2y square is equal to x square. 2y square equal to x square. That is, x square is divisible by 2. Okay, because product of 2 and y square is x square. So x square is divisible by 2. So x is also divisible by 2. Okay, x square is divisible by 2. Therefore x is divisible by 2. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്തു? എക്സിനൊരു കോമൺ ഫാക്ടർ, എക്സിനൊരു ഫാക്ടർ ഉണ്ട് 2. നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടായിരുന്നു എക്സും വൈ ഇൻറ്റീരിയേഴ്സ് കോപ്രൈം 1 അല്ലാണ്ട് വേറെ കോമൺ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ഇല്ല എന്ന്. അപ്പോൾ എക്സിനൊരു ഫാക്ടർ കിട്ടി 2. Now, in equation 1, let us take, let x equal to 2k. X equal to 2k. Substitute here. √2y is equal to 2k. Okay, √2y is equal to, value of x is 2k. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Here, when you square, 2y square. 2y square is equal to 4k square. 4k square. Okay, from this you can calculate y square. Y square is equal to 4k square by 2. Okay, y square is equal to 4k square by 2. That is 2k square. Okay, From this, we know that y square is divisible by 2. Okay, y square is divisible by 2. Therefore, y is also y can also be divisible by 2. Y square is divisible because product of 2 and k square is y square. So y square is divisible by 2. So y is divisible by 2. Y square is divisible by 2. Hence, y is also divisible by 2. Here we got x is divisible by 2. Here y is divisible by 2. So x and y have common factor as 2. So x and y are not co-prime. So our assumption is wrong. Root 2 is not rational. So root 2 is irrational. The conclusion we arrive is that root 2 is irrational. Why? Here we got x is divisible by 2. Here y is divisible by 2. So x and y have common factor 2. X and y are co-prime rational anengil. That means no factor other than 1. About 2 factor getting. So our assumption that root 2 is rational is wrong. Okay, so root 2 is irrational. Okay. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെയ്യാം. Prove that root 3 is irrational. കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പോലെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. Let us assume that root 3 is rational. Okay. നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് root 3 irrational ആണെന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ അസ്യൂം ചെയ്യുന്നത്. root 3 is rational എന്ന് എടുക്കുക, എന്നിട്ട് assumption wrong ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുക. Okay. Let root 3 is equal to, because root 3 is rational, root 3 can be written as x by y, where x and y are integers, y not equal to 0. Okay, x, y, integers as the previous problem. Y not equal to 0 and x, y are co-prime. What do you mean by co-prime? No factor other than 1. Now, as before, you cross multiply. Root 3y is equal to x. Okay, equation 1. Next, squaring both sides. Here, squaring 3y square is equal to x square. From this, we can say that x square is divisible by 3. Product of 3 and y square is x square. So x square is divisible by 3. So x is divisible by 3. X square is divisible by 3. Therefore, x is divisible by 3. Okay. Now, in equation 1, let x equal to 5k. X equal to, not 5k, 3k. Okay, 3k. Substituting here, equation 1, x equal to 3k. Root 3y is equal to 3k. What we do? Squaring. Here squaring 3y square is equal to 9k square. From this we can find out y square. Therefore y square is equal to 9k square by 3. That is 3k square. 3k square. From this we can say that y square is divisible by 3. So y is also divisible by 3. Y square is divisible by 3. So y is also divisible by 3. So our assumption is wrong. That is x and y are co-prime. No factor other than 1 ആണ് നമ്മൾ assume ചെയ്തത്. But here we can say that x and y have common factor 3. So our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? What was our assumption? Root 3 is rational എന്നുള്ള assumption നമ്മുടെ തെറ്റാണ്. So root 3 is irrational. മനസ്സിലായി? അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെയ്യാം. Prove that root 5 is irrational. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ root 2 പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്തു, root 3 പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്തു, root 5 അതേപോലെയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് ചെയ്യാം. Okay. Let us assume that root 5 is rational. ഇത് നമ്മുടെ assumption ആണ് കേട്ടോ. Assumption. Root 5 is rational. Then root 5 can be written as x by y. Okay. Root 5 is equal to x by y, where x, y are integers. X, y not equal to 0 and x, y are co-prime. Okay. Now you cross multiply. Root 5y is equal to x. Squaring here, 5y square is equal to x square. From this we can conclude that x square is divisible by 5. X square divisible by 5. So x also divisible by 5. Now this is equation number 1. Let us take this equation 1. In this, let x equal to 5k. Okay, 5k. Substitute root 5 is y is equal to 5k. Squaring here, root 5y becomes 5y square is equal to 25k square. From this we can calculate y square is equal to 25 by 5, 5k square. From this we can conclude that y square is divisible by 5. So y also divisible by 5. Here we got x is divisible by 5. So here y divisible by 5. So x and y are not co-prime. So our assumption that root 5 is rational is wrong. Hence we have proved that root 5 is irrational. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ root 2, root 3, root 5 are irrational എന്ന് prove ചെയ്തു. We have proved that root 2, root 3 and root 5 are irrational. Okay. ഇതിൽ നമ്മൾ root 2 irrational ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ x equal to 2k എടുത്തു. root 3 irrational ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ x equal to 3k and root 5 irrational ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ x equal to 5k എന്ന് നമ്മൾ അസ്യൂം ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ അത് ഇങ്ങനെ പഠിച്ചു വെച്ചാൽ മതി. root 2 irrational ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ x equal to 2k ആണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. root 3 ആവുമ്പോൾ x equal to 3k and root 5 ആവുമ്പോൾ x equal to 5k, where k is an integer. Where k is any integer. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത കണക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെയ്യാം. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay, let us start. Let us assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Then 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to x by y, where x and y are integers, y not equal to 0, x and y are co-prime. Okay. Now take 3 to that side. 2 root 5 is equal to x by y minus 3. Therefore, root 5 is equal to, take 2 to that side, 1 by 2 into x by y minus 3. 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to x by y. Therefore, 2 root 5 is equal to x by y minus 3. So, root 5 is equal to 1 by 2 into x by y minus 3. Listen, since x and y are integers, x by y minus 3 into 1 by 2 is rational. Then root 5 is also rational. But we have proved earlier that root 5 is irrational. Okay? Since x and y are integers, x by y minus 3 is also an integer. X by y minus 3 into 1 by 2 is also an integer. That means x by y minus 3 into 1 by 2 is rational. So, root 5 should also be rational, but we have proved earlier that root 5 is irrational. So, our assumption 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational is wrong. So, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Since x, y are integers, x by y minus 3 into 1 by 2 is rational. Therefore, RHS is right hand side is rational number. So, left hand side should also be a rational number. Therefore, root 5 is rational. But we have proved earlier that root 5 is irrational. Hence, our assumption 3 plus 2 root 5 rational is wrong. So we have proved that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay, next question. Prove that 1 by root 5 is irrational. Let us assume 1 by root 5 is rational. Okay, then 1 by root 5 is equal to x by y. X and y are integers, y not equal to 0, x and y are co-prime. Cross multiply. Y is equal to, otherwise rearrange this equation. This is an equation 1 by root 5 is equal to x by y. Rearrange. We can write as root 5 divided by 1 is equal to y by x. Interchanging denominator and numerator. Root 5 by 1 is equal to y by x. That is root 5 is equal to y by x. Okay. Since x and y are integers, y by x is rational. So, root 5 is rational. But we have proved that root 5 is irrational. So, our assumption 1 by root 5 is rational is wrong. So, 1 by root 5 is rational. Since x and y are integers, y by x is rational. Therefore, right hand side is rational, so left hand side. Root 5 is rational, but earlier we have proved that root 5 is irrational. So our assumption 1 by root 5 is rational is wrong. So 1 by root 5 is irrational. Next question. Prove that 7 root 5 is irrational. Let us prove. Let us assume 7 root 5 is rational. Then 7 root 5 is equal to x by y. Take 7 to that side. Root 5 is equal to x by 7y. Okay. Since x and y are integers, x by 7y is rational. So root 5 is rational. But we have proved earlier root 5 is irrational. So our assumption 7 root 5 rational is wrong. So 7 root 5 is irrational. Since x and y are integers, therefore x by 7y is rational. Therefore root 5 is rational. But we have proved earlier root 5 is irrational. So our assumption is wrong. Therefore 7 root 5 is not rational but irrational. And here is the last question of this class. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Let us assume 6 plus root 2 is rational. 6 plus root 2 is equal to x by y. Take 6 to that side. Therefore, root 2 is equal to x by y minus 6. Since x and y are integers, x by y minus 6 is rational. So root 2 is rational. But we have proved earlier root 2 is irrational. So our assumption 6 plus root 2 rational is wrong. Hence 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Since x and y are x comma y are integers, therefore x by y minus 6 is rational. Therefore root 2 is rational. But we have proved earlier root 2 is irrational. Hence our assumption that 6 plus root 2 rational is wrong. So 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് തൽക്കാലം സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്യാണ്. ഇതിൻ്റെ കണ്ടിന്യൂവേഷൻ അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കാം. ഇതെല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലായി വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ മറ്റുള്ള കുട്ടികൾക്ക് എല്ലാവരും ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച്.